A few years ago, I used to believe that becoming a millionaire was only for tech founders, celebrities, or people who hit the jackpot. But then I realized the strategies that actually work are nothing like what most people think. So, if I had to start from scratch in 2025, here are 5 things I would do that would help me reach a million twice as fast. I have divided this video into different points so that you guys can easily understand it. Let's get into it. Point 1. Master the income first approach. Most people think the path to becoming a millionaire is by saving every single penny. They cut down on coffee, avoid outings, and hope one day they will hit that $1 million mark. But here's the truth no one tells you. If you save $500 per month, it will take you 167 years to become a millionaire. Even if you are extra disciplined and save $2,000 a month, you will still need over 40 years. You worked in banking or somewhere on a decent salary, lived below your means, and still you weren't even close to saving a million. That's when it hit you. You were playing the wrong game. Instead of obsessing over saving money, you should start focusing on how to earn more money. Ask yourself, what high value skill can you learn? How can you monetize what you already know? Where should you invest to make your money work harder? So my advice is, if you want to become a millionaire fast, stop clipping coupons and start building income. It's the income first mindset that changes everything. There's a quote, you can't save your way to wealth. You must earn your way. Point 2. Say no to almost everything. Once you understood the importance of building income, you made a big mistake. You started too many things at once, like YouTube, freelancing, business ideas, affiliate marketing, and more. Nothing grew because you wasn't fully committed to anything. Then, one day, you must decided to go all in on one thing, like YouTube. Tell yourself, for the next 3 months, you will say no to distractions, say no to parties, random opportunities, and shiny ideas. Focus 100% on making YouTube work. And guess what? That's when the growth started. So here's the lesson. If you want to grow fast, focus on one thing and say no to everything else that doesn't move that needle. Pick one income stream, commit to it for 3 to 6 months, and go all in. There's a quote, being entrusted is easy, but being committed, that's where the million lies. Point 3. Learn one high-value skills every quarter. Your job may pay the bills, but it likely won't make you rich. And the worst part is most corporate skills are only useful inside the company, not in real life. That's why you should start learning what I call leverage skills. The one that solves expensive problems and scale fast. If you had to start today, you would plan your year like this. Quarter 1, learn sales and persuasion because everything business, freelancing, content relies on influence. Quarter 2, learn digital marketing because in today's world, attention is currency. If you know how to grab it, you can sell anything, a product, a service, or even yourself as a brand. Quarter 3, learn basic coding or data analysis. You don't need to become a full stack developer, but if you understand how systems work and how to read data, you make smarter decisions, automate tasks, and unlock serious leverage. Quarter 4, learn a bonus high-value skill like copywriting, public speaking, personal branding, or even using AI tools to 10x your productivity. These are the kind of skills that pay dividends for life. Once you have them, no recession, no job loss, no crisis can take your value away. There's a quote, learn the skills that make you too valuable to ignore. Point 4, protect your energy like your life depends on it. This might surprise you, but building wealth is more mental than tactical. 80% mindset, 20% strategy. Yet most people spend their energy on scrolling Instagram, watching news, judging others, comparing themselves online. That stuff drains your focus, your confidence, and your belief. So if you had to start again in 2025, you would become ruthless about protecting your energy. Here's how. Unfollow every account that doesn't inspire you. Stop watching content that makes you feel small. Start feeding your mind with business podcasts, well-building YouTubers, and books that challenge how I think. It's not about being antisocial. It's about being intentional with what you allow into your headspace. Because when your mind is clear, your decisions are better, your creativity is sharper, and your progress is faster. There's a quote, you can't build a rich life with a poor mental diet. Point 5. Obsess over the process, not the outcome. Let's be real. It's super easy to feel discouraged when you are sitting at $5,000 in your bank account and your goal is $1 million. You feel like a failure. But that mindset, always measuring the gap between where you are and where you want, will kill your momentum. So here's what you can do differently now. You should fall in love with the process, not the outcome. Enjoy learning about investing every night. Create content as a creative outlet. Treat progress like a win, not just a payout. Because when you obsess over the process, something amazing happens. You stop quitting, and if you keep doing the right things long enough, the $1 million becomes inevitable. There's a quote, it's not a question of it becomes a question of when. If this video helped shift your mindset, do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel and drop a comment saying, I am starting today. Let's build this community of future millionaires together. I will see you in the next one.